Hello, I am Miss Ann, and welcome to our Dancing Elf Ornament Holiday Special Program. I'm so glad you decided to join us today. For this activity, you will need the elf ornament pieces and some coloring supplies, metal fasteners, string, and a pair of scissors. The first step is to color all of your different ornament pieces, which I've already done. I colored mine red and green, but you can use what other colors you like. To attach the arms to the body, put your elf's body and both arms face down on your surface. Then, line up your arms with the holes in the body. Just like that. And use your fasteners to attach the two together. So go ahead, pick it up. Have the hole line up nice and straight, and then stick your fastener in through the back. Then push down the sides of your fastener to keep the two closed together. So it's just like that. Then repeat with your other arm. Great, and there you have it. And then you can turn it around to double check and make sure that you can still move the arms. Now that your arms are fastened on, the next step is to take your piece of string and string it through the two small holes in between the arms. This will allow your arms to move at the same time. Now this step can be kind of tricky, so don't worry if it takes you a few times to do it. Just like that. And make sure your arms then are fully in the down position, have the string pulled, and then practice it by pulling on the string. See how it makes the arms move? That's exactly what we want. Then you want to go ahead and tie knots by each hole to make sure that it stays in place. I recommend using a double knot because then you don't have to worry about the knot accidentally pulling through. And there you have it. Your arms will be attached. Now, we're going to repeat the same process for the legs. Line up the legs with the holes on the bottom of the body and attach them with the metal fasteners. Then put your legs in a down position and put your string through both holes like you did for the arms. Remember, this step can take a few times to get it just right, so it's okay if it takes you a couple of tries. string ever starts to unravel like mine is here, just go ahead and cut off the bit that's starting to come apart with your scissors. Perfect. Remember, you want to have it just like that, with your legs in the down position, and pull the string and see how they move. That's perfect. So again, just like before with the arms, once you have them in the right spot, you want to go ahead and knot both sides. And then your legs are attached. Now that we have both our legs and arms set up, we want to make it where they can both move at the same time. For this, you're going to take your really long piece of string and lay it vertically over both pieces of string. The first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and knot it to your string on the top. You want to make sure your string on top is nice and tight when you pull it, because when you tie this knot, you want it to be that it will move the string and thus move your arms. See how that works? Can I move the arm? Perfect. Now, you want to make sure, this is the tricky part, you want to make sure that you have it set up just the right tension so that when you move the arms, you can do the same thing and also knot it to the bottom. Go ahead and slip it down underneath this bottom string. Got my arm there. Now, if you notice, the last time I moved it, it just moved the legs and not the arms. If that happens to you, don't you worry. Just go ahead and take the bottom, loop it around the center string and over the bottom string again. All that happened was that you had not enough tension between these two strings. Then go ahead and pull again. And ta-da! Both the legs and the arms move in unison. And there you have it. Now you have an elf that moves and can dance. Isn't that cool? To make your elf an ornament that can hang from a tree, just go ahead and take another piece of string and tie it in a loop through the hole at the top of the elf's head. And there you have it. There's your dancing elf. Thank you so much for joining me today for this December special. Please take a picture of your finished elf ornament and email it to us at the Alsop Library's Youth Services email address. Remember, we will have full programming in January and registration begins on January 2nd. Please visit the Alsop Library's website to learn more information about our upcoming programs. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye!